One of the problems of working or hiking outdoors is to keep your feet dry at all times, from small puddles of water to morning dew grass. Now, it can be possible with the best waterproof tactical boots. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 waterproof tactical boots on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Bates Men's 8 Ultralight Tactical Sport Military Boot. Bates Ultralight is true to its name. It's very lightweight, which makes it perfect for walking for long miles. On top of that, it's durable enough to withstand any rigorous work in the field. These boots are mostly leather with high-performance nylon on the upper portion, providing a great balance of durability and comfort. On the sides are zippers, which allow quickly putting on off the boots. Surprisingly, I didn't notice my feet getting sweaty, since the breathable lining wicks away the moisture pretty well. Also, everything is well padded, from the EVA midsole to the removable insert, so I don't worry about foot fatigue, even when standing for long hours. For me, the greatest advantage is the rubber sole, which features wide spaces between the tracks to grip any surface. I tried putting my foot down on the gravel ground, and interestingly, the boots made great contact without slipping. Aesthetically, these boots look sharp and pretty with their coyote color. I'm not afraid of any dangerous tasks with these boots on because I'm satisfied with their full ankle coverage. The toe protection that it provides seems to be sufficient to prevent any potential injuries. Number 2. Free Soldier Men's Tactical Boots. These Free Soldier Tactical Waterproof Boots impress me with their urban casual fashion style, making them look suitable for daily use. I've bought these shoes for short hikes, and they were able to hold up pretty well. The suede leather and 1000 Cordura fabric combination make these boots very durable. The fabric feels so thick that they don't get easily scratched by sharp rocks. Also, the ankles are so nicely padded that I haven't felt any discomfort even when walking with them on for hours. The soles are fantastic on this one. The EVA midsole provides an excellent cushion for long hikes, while the geometrical patterns of the outsole keep me steady on any surface. I especially love the strengthened toe cap and heel, as they give me peace of mind when I seek outstanding protection during combat. As I've noticed, both the exterior surface and inner lining have a waterproof coating. I don't get sweaty feet during a hot day, and my feet stay dry when walking on a small puddle of water. I can say that these boots are breathable because my feet feel cool during the summer. Number 3. Rooster Waterproof Military and Tactical Boots. When the weather is cold, I enjoy wearing the Rooster because of its good insulation. These waterproof military boots provide one of the most favorite ankle support, as I didn't feel any discomfort when trekking for long miles. I can feel the stability of my arch with the nylon shank. Thankfully, the soling materials don't reach up to the back of my heel, so I don't feel any foot pain even from standing for too long. Truly, these boots are built for comfort, especially with the shock-absorbing cushions and foot massaging porn. Foots. The Goodyear rubber outsole makes me walk on any surface safely without the fear of slipping. My wide feet love the toe cap because it's wide enough to move around freely. I also feel reassured of the quality because Rooster provides a 30-day money-back guarantee. The Hydro Guard lining makes these boots waterproof around the fabric and outsole. I think it's effective because my socks stayed dry when I walked on the wet grass after a rainstorm. Also, my feet don't get sweaty when wearing these boots. Number 4. Victos Men's Johnny Combat Tactical Boots. This next design is a nice-looking pair of gray boots. These Victos waterproof combat boots aren't only good aesthetically, but also built for rugged use. The selling point of Johnny Combat Boots is the Strife Warfighter bottom unit, which uses a shock-absorbing foam to lessen the impact in every step. The rubber outsole also grips nicely on slippery and snowy grounds. Best of all, these boots are lightweight, almost as light as my old sneakers. I tested the waterproof lining, and it's somewhat functional as my feet were dry when I walked through the grass after the rain. I have run with these boots on, and they didn't cause any mobility problems. Also, the wide toe box feels very comfortable for my wide feet. By the looks of it, the nylon upper and synthetic leather seems durable. These boots can withstand any elements as I could tread on mud and snow without any issues. They can surely take a beating, making these boots one of the toughest out there. Number 5. Under Armour Men's Stellar Tac Military and Tactical Boot. These Under Armour tactical boots offers everything I like, from waterproof liners to a high-traction rubber outsole and reinforced TPU shanks. I walked a couple of miles in these shoes, and having them on is crucial to my endurance. I feel exceptional support coming from the molded EVA midsole and reinforced TPU shank. Somehow, my feet remain stable even when walking on uneven terrains. Also, the rubber sole provides a firm grip on the surface, even when I step onto a snowy road. Thanks to the cushion, I don't feel pain in the bottom of my feet like with rough shoes after wearing them for long hours. The leather feels remarkably tough, while the 900D nylon fabric upper feels lightweight. Moreover, the polishable toe feels rigid enough to protect my feet from rocks and any blunt object on the road. My favorite is the waterproof boot liner because it works as extra protection from the elements. I walked through the grass after a rainy night and my socks weren't soaked, fortunately. Also, the boot seems to dry pretty quickly with its minimalist design. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.